Welcome everyone. I am Hunter Marsh, your host, and for today we will be making the perfect friend. Let's meet today's judges.
Hey guys, I'm Rachel Ray.
Me, it's Guy Fieri.
And introducing our special guest judge, the one, the only, Buddy Velastro. And now let's introduce the teams. We have Orange Team, Yellow Team, Blue Team, and Green Team. You have 1 hour to make the perfect friend, and your time starts now.
Well, if I were making a perfect friend, I would add loyalty.
If it were me personally, I would add humor. Every friend should make you laugh.
Me personally, I'd take honesty. Nothing better than a true friend.
All right, and now let's check on the teams. Orange Team, how are you guys doing?
We're doing pretty good. Today we're going to be making the best bud bars.
And what are in those best bud bars?
In the best bud bars, there are kindness, sass, and quality time.
Ooh, interesting. It's smelling good over here. What will you guys be making?
We're making a perfect friendship parfait. Get it? Because people have layers.
Well, that's fun.
The ingredients in this perfect friendship parfait are kindness, affectionate, loving.
Ooh. And now, Blue Team, what are you making?
Today we are making a friendship pizza.
What is in that friendship pizza?
Our friendship pizza has caring, loving, and kindness.
Ooh. All right, and now Green Team, what will you guys be making? Ooh, interesting. Let's see what's in it.
A couple of ingredients in Den Perfecte Ben are loyalty, kindness, and forgiveness.
Ooh. All right, 2 minutes left, people. All right. Orange Team, you look like you're struggling over here. What's going on?
Well, I just put in 4 cups of quality time.
4 cups of quality time? I have 2 cups of quality time.
Oh no, hope you guys can work that out. You only have 2 minutes left. In fact, that time has ran down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, hands off. Now it's time to judge. First off, let's look at Green Team first. All right. So, what is the full ingredients in this friend?
Today, Edward and I have made you all Den Perfecte Ben. It consists of kindness, loyalty, trust, forgiveness, understanding, accepting, consideration. All the things a perfect friend needs.
All right, you make it first.
The only thing that I would add would be sass. Every friend needs to be sassy.
And now, Blue Team. Let's see what you made.
Today, Mr. March, we made you a friendship pizza. It has everything a good friend needs, such as humor, loyalty, sass, honesty, respect, and genuine.
All right, you may go to the front.
I love this recipe. It's a good mix of almost everything a perfect friend needs.
All right, and Yellow Team.
Today, Dominique and I have made y'all a perfect friendship parfait.